Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Tilbury bronzer. Tilbury launched her new bronzers for this summer. You know, summer is bronzing season. So this is the packaging. Ooh, beautiful burgundy packaging. And I picked the shade number 310 and I hope it works. So it comes in this box. It shows the face on here how you need to bronze or where you need to bronze on your face. And this is how the compact looks. It has 0.56 ounces, which is 0.16 grams, and it shows the description of powder, the bronzer. It is an airbrush bronzer, which is a mattifying bronzer that is used for both face and body. And it says here that you should buff it onto your skin and blend with an airbrush for a natural looking sun-kissed finish. And so the brush that I'm going to be using with this is Sephora brush number 50, which is the flawless powder brush. Now this product can be refilled. It's refillable. All you need to do is put a pin also through here to pop out the product and then refill it with whatever shade you want or replace it with whatever shade you want. I'll be doing some comparison of other blushes. So it comes with a blush mirror and this is the shade. I'm not sure, so let's see. Let's go like this. This is a clean brush. I'm gonna dab. It looks like the powder has kickback. You can see right there. And so I'm gonna It is not bad. Ooh, I love the shade. Okay, I need to cool down before I over bronze my face. Do you guys see the sculpting? Ooh. It's very, very beautiful. It feels very soft, silky. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Now Tilbury, you're trying to rob me, right? Because the texture of this bronzer got me going crazy and I pretty much want to go grab a lot of your product. Oh mama. Wow. I'm loving this so bad. I love it. I really do. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? See how I sculpt my nose? Oh wow. This is so gorgeous. I'm not kidding, this is so gorgeous. Holy moly. I'm gonna do a reverse contour to clean around my bronzer. This is very beautiful. I love it. And this is how mattifying it looks. Now what I'm going to do is to swatch this bronzer along with other bronzers that I have in my collection. So I will take Tilbury bronzer number 310 and let's go ahead and swatch it right here. That's 10 and I will wet my hand. I'm going to swatch Fenty Beauty Coconutty just to kind of give you guys that have my complexion a look of how it looks. That's Coconutty right there. Coconutty is a little bit darker. They both have the same undertone to me, except that Coconutty has a reddish undertone. So a little bit warmer. Yeah, Coconutty is a little bit warmer than Tilbury's bronzer. Airbrush bronzer. And I'm going to swatch Guerlain. I'm going to swatch Guerlain. This is Guerlain number 7 Guerlain terracotta bronzer. This is how it looks. And I'm going to swatch that also. This is a product that's finely milled in here, just like the bronzer from Tilbury. If you guys see, I'm going with a trend here. All of my bronzers kind of seem like the same finish. So this is Beijing Girl that I usually use to contour my nose. It's Fenty Beauty Beijing Girl. It's how she looks. I'm going to swatch her also and I put her around the top here. She is similar to Tilbury's bronzer. They both have the same shade. So next I'm going to swatch NARS Fallacy bronzer and this is how it looks. This is NARS Fallacy bronzer below here. And let's see. I got this bronzer also. This is from Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and this is how it looks. The one has a little reddish tone and it is their medium bronzer. I'll be reviewing that soon. And this is how it looks. So it also has the same undertone for a cheaper price. This retails I think for $12, not too sure, but yeah, that's how it looks. If you are looking for a bronzer for your skin complexion and you want to match my complexion, I forgot to swatch this bronzer. So this is the Buxom Staycation Vibe bronzer. I will leave the video right on the corner here of the screen so that you guys can take a look and see how I apply. I just apply it to the back of my hand here. It doesn't show too much on here, but when you put it on your skin, well, when I apply it to my cheekbone, it came up. It showed a better payoff than when it applied. So this is kind of like a bronzer, or it's kind of like a neutral bronzer, I should say. It's not that warm. If you are more than one step darker than me, this is not going to work for you. So people that have a deeper complexion than me, maybe one step deeper than me, maybe one complexion darker than me, this will work for you. But so that's period. It's not gonna work for you, so you will want to pick a darker shade. She came up with 4 shades: light, medium, tan, and deep. So those are only 4 shades. I love the bronzer. It blends out well. It feels like pretty much like a filter powder. It's so smooth, so luxurious on the skin, and it blends out perfectly. It is not patchy at all. If you want to know if I recommend it, yes, I will of course recommend Charlotte Tilbury's bronzer, and now I'm encouraged to look for more of her products. I've heard people raving about some of her products, so I'm going to try that. The foundation I was launched last year, I'm yet to try it. I've been dying to try that, so that's one of the things I'm going to buy and try. Price range $55, refill is $35, and you can get this off of Sephora or Charlotte Tilbury's website. And I'll just pretty much describe this bronzer. So right now on Sephora's website, the shade tan is sold out, and tan is a medium deep bronze, and the description here says that the bronzer is an oversized natural matte bronzer that is infused with hyaluronic acid and finely milled pigments for a skin perfecting bronzer filter for the face and body. And it is for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. So any skin type can use this bronzer. It is a pressed powder bronzer, and she did not come up with any very dark bronzers, and so that's the downside to this, which I don't like. We are in 2020 talking about inclusivity, and still there is not enough bronzer for dark skin girls. Charlotte Tilbury, get to work. Okay, this is 2020. You need to add on to this bronzer line. That's just that. Yeah, so anyway, that's just my thoughts on the Tilbury bronzer. So if you like to purchase that, definitely go on Sephora website. So now that I've applied the bronzer, I would finish up my face and I'll be right back.